Next we are discussing shortcut. Shortcut. What is shortcut? Y equal to fx and y equal to gx. There are two functions are there. Okay, so fx can be odd or even possible. Similarly, gx can be odd or even possible. Okay, so we are making table. This side we are writing fx and this side we are writing gx. Then one function will be there, y equal to fx plus gx. One function is that y equal to fx minus gx. One function is that y equal to fx into gx. One function is that y equal to fx by gx. One function is that y equal to f of gx. And one function is that y equal to g of f of x. So there are 6 possibilities will be there. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 possibilities will be there. Okay, either fx plus gx or fx minus gx, or both multiplication or division or composite function f of gx or g of fx. Here gx should not be 0. Gx should not be 0. Then what is shortcut? See, fx is even function and gx is even function. Then fx plus gx is also even function, and fx minus gx also even function, fx into gx also even function, fx divided by gx also even function, f of gx also even function, and g of fx also even function. So all will be what? Even function will come. Okay, for example, if I explain this one, okay, y equal to f of g of x, how it is even function. Okay, so this one we are writing h of x. So we are applying even odd condition. Okay, so what you will do, x replace with minus x. So h of minus x we are finding. So h of minus x is what? F of g of minus x. And we know gx is what? Even function. If gx is even function, so g of minus x equal to what will come? Gx, because gx is even function. So g of minus x we can write gx. So what will come here? H of minus x we can write is what? F of g of minus x we can write g of x. And f of g of x is nothing but what? H of x. So this is equal to what? H of x. So you can see h of minus x equal to what? H of x. Then we can say that hx is what? Even function. So this will come what? Even function. Similarly, you can check others also. Next possibility is what? If fx is even and gx is odd, then what is fx plus gx? So this is what? Neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. Similarly, fx minus gx also neither even nor odd. Fx into gx will come what? Odd function. This will come odd function. Similarly, fx by gx is also odd function, and f of g of x, so this is also even function. Similarly, g of fx also even function will come. Okay, how to check? Okay, so first we are discussing this one, fx minus gx. So this one we are taking h of x. So h of x we are taking fx minus g of x. So here instead of x we are replacing minus x. So what will come? H of minus x equal to f of minus x minus g of minus x. Now fx is what? Even function. So f of minus x we can write fx minus g of minus x. So gx is what? Odd function. So g of minus x, what we can write? Minus of g of x. So g of minus x we can write minus of g of x. So this will come what? Fx plus gx. So this is what? H of minus x is what? This one. But h of x is what? Fx minus gx. So we can't write this one as what? H of x or minus of hx. So here we can say that h of minus x is not equal to h of x and not equal to h of minus x. Sorry, minus of h of x. Then we can say that this function is neither even nor odd. Similarly, we can check this one also. Suppose you want to find out this one. Okay, so y hx equals to, we are taking f of g of x. This one we are taking, so h of minus x. So this will come out f of g of minus x. See, gx is what? Odd function. So g of minus x, what we get? Minus of g of x. So h of minus x, what will come here? F of minus of g of x. This one we can get. Now you check, fx is what? Even function. So f of minus gx, we can get f of gx. So this one we can get f of g of x. So h of minus x equal to what? F of g of x. And f of g of x is what? Hx. So h of minus x equal to what will come? Hx. So this condition is for even. So we can say this is even. Similarly, if you check this one also, so this also will come even function. Okay, so here we can say that if one function is even, then other is odd. So this is what? Neither even nor odd. This is neither even nor odd. This both will be odd, and here composite function will be even. Next we are discussing that if fx is odd and gx is even, then fx plus gx, same thing we can say here, neither even nor odd. Similarly, fx minus gx also neither even nor odd. And fx into gx will come what? Odd function only. Similarly, fx by gx also will come odd function. F of gx will come what? Even function. And this is also even function will come. So same thing will come here. So if one of the function is odd and one function is even, so this condition will be followed. If you want to check, you can check. Suppose you are checking this one, g of f of x. Okay, so here we are taking hx equal to what? G of f of x. Now h of minus x. So this will come out g of f of minus x. So you can see fx is what? Odd function. So f of minus x, we can add minus of fx. So this will come g of minus of f of x. Now gx is what? Even function. So g of minus of fx, we can add g of f of x. So this is what? H of x. So this is equal to h of x. So you can say h of minus x equal to what? H of x. So we can say that this is even function. Similarly, you can check this one also. Okay, if you want to check this one, so here hx equal to what we are taking? Fx into gx. So what is h of minus x? So what do we put? F of minus x into g of minus x. So here fx is what? Odd function. So f of minus x, we can add minus of f of x into g of minus x. So gx is what? Even function. So g of minus x, we can add g of x. So fx into gx, we can add h of x. So here what will come? Minus outside, fx into gx, we can add h of x. So you can see h of minus x equal to what? Minus of h of x. That means this function is what? Odd function. So here we wrote odd function. Similarly, you can check this one also. So this is the third condition. This is first, this is second, this is third. Now fourth one. Fourth one is what? This is odd and this is also odd. If both are odd, then this function will come what? Odd function. Similarly, this one also will come what? Odd function. This one will come what? Even function. This is also even function. And this will be odd function. And this is also odd function. So this will come. Now here if you want to check, we can check easily. Suppose you want to check this one. Okay, so here we are taking hx equal to what? Fx minus gx. So h of minus x equal to what? F of minus x minus g of minus x. So here fx and gx both are odd function. So h of minus x equal to, this is minus of f of x, and this is what? Minus of g of x. So what will come here? Minus of f of x, minus plus g of x. So here we get a minus common. If I take minus common, what will come? Fx minus gx. And fx minus gx, we can get h of x. So this will come out minus of h of x. So here h of minus x equal to what? Minus of h of x. That means this is what? Odd function. So fx minus gx, we can say odd function. Similarly, you can check this one also. Suppose you want to check this one. So hx equal to, we are taking f of g of x. So h of minus x equal to f of g of minus x. So we know gx is odd function. So this one we can add what? H of minus x equal to f of minus of gx. and we know f is also odd function. So f of minus gx we can write minus of f of g of x, and f of g of x we can write h of x. So this we got minus of h of x. So you can say h of minus x equal to what? Minus of h of x. That means this function we can say odd function. So f of gx is what? Odd function. Similarly, we can check this one also. So everything we can check by this one.